guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me here, Be Unique, and today's video we are reviewing first impressions the Strawberry Dream collection from Manny MUA. And if you guys are interested in this video, please keep on watching and let's get started. Assistant! Okay, so we're going to swatch all the liquid lippies first. I did also she's sick, so please excuse her boogerness. So okay, I did buy another liquid lip from the lights are killing me, Greek Goddess, right? What is this? His last collection. Okay, so let's first talk about packaging. This is the unit carton for the eyeshadow palette. In the collection, all the liquid lippies are in this unit carton here. The packaging is beautiful. Like, I cannot get enough of this packaging. I don't want to get rid of this packaging. I'm a packaging hoarder, and I just got rid of my other packaging, and I know I wish I didn't, because this would have went perfect. But anyway, I love this. I love this. It also came with a little card here with all the prices. So the palette alone, if you don't get the bundle, which I did, $80 for the complete bundle. The palette is $48. It's a 15 shade color palette. The lip gloss is $17, and the two liquid lipsticks are $18. So that all said and done. I do know that they're supposed to be pressed pigments because this is vegan, I believe. So be wary. That's all I'm saying. Cruelty free, blah blah blah. I'm gonna start with this one here, and I'm just going to, this is in the shade Aphrodite. I love this packaging. The packaging in the entire line is the same, but the coloring is different, which I do not care, to be honest. This is my favorite, but that's okay. So this is what that looks like. That, and this is supposed to be his matte formula. So then we're gonna go into the Strawberry Dream collection. I'm gonna go in with the shade Dreamsicle. Hope you guys can see this. Yeah, okay. Love that. It's like a beautiful coral. Then we are going in with Daydream, which I am wearing with the lip gloss on top. Daydream. And then the lip gloss, which I'm going to swipe next to that red shade. So those are the liquid lippies. Okay, so we're going to go in with this first row here. We have Blue Diamond. I'm going to press because this thing is like Sweet Dream, Ruby Skies, Horizon, and Nightfall. So we got one. Ooh. Oh, maybe I need more. Hold on. I just want to use. Ooh, nasty.
I like this one, and this one.
Oh man, my hands are so glittery. Okay, so the next row is going to be Cloudy, Skyline, Sunrise, Sunset, and Strawberry Moon. Wow, look at that. Whoa!
I like this one, and this one.
See, comparing the shade so far to the pan, like this shade here looks like two different colors to me, but it's beautiful. Like, I'm not complaining at all. Okay, so last row, Lightning, Pink Flash, Blue Sky, Haze, and Storm Cloud. That one was a little patchy. So those are all the shades, and now we can get into the eye look. Technique done by Beauty Kristi, and I think I want to use that technique. I've never seen it done before. It's like a halo eye, but it's all the way up to the brow bone. I'm not sure with my eye type how it's gonna look. So yeah, but let's get, we're gonna go for a similar ting. Taking a Luxie 250 large eye blending brush, and I'm just gonna start off with Cloudy, which is the lightest. Ooh, okay, there's Kick. Oh, that smells so good. With Cloudy, which is that lightest shade, pink shade in the palette. I'm just gonna lay that down all over as like a little base. Sunrise, which is that orangey shade. I'm using the same brush because that's how she did. She did it with like a really big brush. Oh my god. Oh, Beauty Kristi, help me out. I don't know what I'm doing. Ooh, okay, I keep on looking off the side for my big mirror just to get a, you know, better perspective of what things look like. Oh, this is so weird for me. Like, I've never done anything like this. The smell of this palette is amazing. So I'm gonna take on a flat brush the Blue Diamond, and I'm taking a Luxie 246 Precision Crease brush to do this. I'm not gonna wet my brush. I'm not. I just want to see. This is super soft. How this goes. It's on there, but I'm using my pinky finger. I'm gonna go back in with this big brush. I'm just gonna tap it ever so lightly and just kind of blend it a little. So on the bottom lash line, I want to go darker. It's a smidge. So I'm gonna go in with Strawberry Moon. Okay, I'm gonna do an inner corner highlight. And I think I want that to be the Gold Lightning shade. I'm not gonna wet it because I want to see. Oh, yes. I gotta clean my sponge. So I just really quick, because I'm not wearing this lipstick. Like, I was swatching it, trying to figure out what I wanted, but I figured I'd show you guys what they look like with the eye look. This shade right here, my lips are really dry, so excuse me. It's matte, but it's not overly drying. It doesn't feel like it's sucking the life out of your lips, like, you know, like a crusty desert, like decrepit. You know what I'm saying? So, and anyway, so this is the shade. I can't, my lights are killing me. Dreamsicle. It's pretty. Definitely like a summery time shade. I'm sorry, I'm looking in the other mirror. It has like an orange. Let me shut this light. Maybe that'll help. Like, it's pulling very orange on camera, not so much in person, but very pretty. So let me go ahead and take off this lippy so I can swatch the other one. So this is Daydream. I like it, but I feel like I need like, I'm gonna put the gloss on top. I'm just gonna spray. This is the finished look. Final thoughts on this collection. I love these liquid lips. I didn't think that I would. I thought they were gonna be more creamy, like a velvet. What do they call that? A velvet matte or whatever. I don't like those. They're okay. No, it's not my cup of tea. I love a matte lip, unless I'm obviously putting a topper on. But these felt really good. Like, I am very surprised that I didn't think I was gonna like these too much. I love my Kylie. That is my, like, majority of my collection is probably that, you know, among other things. But that's my go-to. Yeah, I love the formula of these, absolutely. As for the palette, blended beautifully, absolutely beautiful. I did not have a difficult time at all. I love the colors, I love the consistency of everything. I do feel like, I'm not sure why there's blue in here, because it's strawberry dream. So when I think of strawberries, I think of the strawberry, the greens, whites, pinks, reds, even some neutrals because of the seeds. So I don't understand where the blue comes in, but I don't hate it. But I'm not hating the formula. I love this packaging. Oh my gosh. Like, if he was to sell like a big poster or something, I would so use that as my backdrop. It's beautiful. So if you guys like this video, give me a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below if you've tried this brand, if you have this palette. Do you want this palette? Give me your thoughts. Give me some feedback. Most importantly, sting that subscribe button. Join this beehive with me and hit that notification bell so you'll be notified of any future content. And you guys, I will catch you in my next video.